we love to put ourselves in the introvert camp or the extrovert camp. We love to sorting hat ourselves in terms of our social proclivities.
Yeah.
And I believe that there is some truth to this. And I believe that the categorization of introvert or extrovert as it pertains to where you get your energy is accurate and correct. Like, I am, in that sense, mostly an introvert because I get my energy by doing something on my own or by doing something with somebody that I feel very close to. I do not get energy going out and meeting new people, going out to social gatherings. I spend energy doing that.
Yeah.
But I have worked on myself, and I have gotten to the point where if I'm in a situation where the context is something I'm comfortable with, like honestly business kind of stuff, I get excited to go meet new people and talk. And I'm spending energy the whole time, but I enjoy it. And I enjoy being the center of attention. I enjoy going out and talking with people. It's fun. It's not just a chore now.
Yeah.
It used to be a chore. And over time, as I have practiced and gotten positive feedback and made mistakes, but then realized what I could do to fix those, it's gotten to the point where I now look forward to it.
Yeah. And I feel like you need to do it long enough that you do get some instances of positive feedback, because otherwise, the first few times you're probably going to feel weird. Mm-hmm. You know, you're probably going to say something dumb, and it's going to be hilarious, and you're going to love that story in a year. Just kidding, it'll keep you up at night. But if you stop there, you won't get to the point where you have anything good to make it seem worth it. You'll just remember the bad parts forever. Yep. You need to force yourself to practice through the parts that are going to be awkward, and then eventually it's going to pay off. I mean, I'm an introvert too, but I mean, in the first few episodes of this, a long time ago, before we had video, like there are some episodes where I'm like shaking a little bit. I'm nervous to be on this. This takes practice. It's hard for me to be in front of people. This is kind of doing that.
Yeah.